Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 1 from chapter 3 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. All right, in this problem, we need to find the following for path A. We need the total distance traveled, and we need the magnitude and direction of displacement from start to finish. All right, so for path A, we are going 3 blocks north and then 1 block east. And so for part A, we can say the distance is going to be the 3 blocks times 120 meters per block, and that was going north, plus 1 block times 120 meters east. So we've gone a total of 4 blocks times the 120, which makes 480 meters. And so the total distance traveled is 480 meters. Okay, now we need the displacement. And so it's path A, so let's say the x component of path A is that 1 block, and it is 120 meters per block, and so our x component is 120 meters. Okay, and then our y component is the 3 blocks north, and that is times 120 meters per block. And so our y component is 360 meters, and that's going to be north. The magnitude of our displacement, we'll call it A. Remember, this is the shortest distance between the 2 points. It is going to be the square root of ax squared plus ay squared. The 2 legs of the right triangle. So we're going to have 120 meters squared plus 360 meters squared. And so this gives 379 meters. So this is the magnitude of the displacement. So our right triangle looks like this. So that's our path A. There's our AY, which is going north, and our AX, which is going east. All right, now to find the direction of the displacement, we call it theta, and it's going to be the tan inverse of the AY over the AX. And so that is the tan inverse of the 360 divided by the 120. Notice our units cancel. And so this is 71.6 degrees. That is north of east. That's the traditional way, or the conventional way, to report a degree. If we take 90 minus the 71.6 degrees, we get 18.4 degrees. And now that will be east of north. And so we can draw the triangle. Right, there's heading north. Here's heading east, and here's our triangle exaggerated. So we've got our AY here, AX there. Here's our 71.6 degrees. And so we start east and we head north, so it is north of east. Then we've got our 18.4 degrees here. We start north and then we head east, so it is east of north. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.